Okay, now that you are experts about the events, and now you can say party, concert, barbecue, and you are an expert about that, go to the next section. And in this one, I have some new words that I am sure are very easy for you, but you need to practice. What is the pronunciation of this word? Excellent. It is day. It is not die. Never say die. It's very common mistake. The correct pronunciation is day. Great. What about this one? Week. Week. So you have day. It's like 24 hours. You know, what one day it has 24 hours, and you divide a day in morning, afternoon, and night. And a week represents 7 days. Okay, make an example here. What do you think is that word? Very good. Repeat. Tuesday. Tuesday. It is not Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Repeat. Tuesday. Excellent. Now, what about this word? What do you think is that word? Very good. It is Friday. Friday. It's not Friday. It is Friday. Friday. What is that word? Excellent. It is Sunday. 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 It's not Sunday. It is Sunday. What is that word? Excellent. It is Monday. Monday. Monday? It is Monday. What about this word? Excellent. What is this one? Do you think the correct pronunciation is Wednesday? No, right? The correct pronunciation is Wednesday. Wednesday. You can omit this word. Do not say this word. It's not Wednesday. You say only Wednesday. Wednesday. What about this word? What do you think is this word? Excellent. It is Saturday. Repeat. Saturday. Saturday. It is not Saturday, because it is in English very common that the T sounds like an R. So it is not Saturday, it is Saturday. And what about this word here? Great. It is Thursday. Thursday. It is a little difficult. It is like this sound. When you have in English the T and the H, like here, T and H, the sound is like an th. So you say Thursday. Thursday. Very good. Now let's practice this one. What is the pronunciation of this word? Tuesday. Friday. Monday. Thursday. Thursday. What about this word here? Wednesday. Wednesday. And what is this one here? Sunday. Sunday. Very good. And this one? Saturday. Saturday. Now it's your time for practicing. I am not going to be here. It's your time for practicing. Okay, repeat say the pronunciation. Excellent, very good. Now you already have the information about the events and you have the days of the week. Now it's time to put everything in action. So, how can you use that information? Very simple. Have one conversation and take a moment for read a conversation. Very good. And you have something like, hello Jack, how are you? Hi Crystal, I am good. And you? I am great. Excuse me, when is the soccer game? The soccer game is on Friday. And where is the game? It's at the stadium. Thank you. So now you are able to talk about the events and when, the time, when is going to be the event. And you also know about where. Do you remember where about directions? Now you can talk about the time and the place of one event. Continue practicing and send your homework, and I'm going to check it. Bye bye.